Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Sarah Clark, and I'm so excited to have you here on Clark Academy 101. If you're looking to really strengthen your skills, gain clarity on concepts that often feel overwhelming, and walk away with practical tools you can actually use, you're in the right place. By the end of this session, you'll feel confident enough to put these ideas into action. Now, let's dive right in. When we first think about learning a new skill or understanding a new subject, it can feel complicated. But here's the truth: every advanced concept is just a collection of simple ideas layered together. My goal is to break those layers down for you in a way that feels natural, easy to follow, and connected to real life. One of the key things to keep in mind is progress over perfection. Too many people get stuck thinking they need to master everything at once. But growth doesn't happen in a straight line, it's about consistent, intentional practice. Think about it like learning to ride a bike. The first few tries, you wobble, maybe even fall, but each attempt makes the next one easier. That's exactly how advanced methods work too. Once you start applying them, even in small ways, they stop feeling advanced and start feeling like second nature. Another important idea is learning how to ask the right questions. Often, people focus on answers, but answers only matter when you've framed the right question. For example, instead of asking, "How can I become perfect at this?" a better question might be, "What's the next small step I can take that will move me forward?" That shift in thinking unlocks real progress. And let's humanize some of the more technical or abstract methods here. Take problem-solving models, for instance. On paper, they can look intimidating, full of steps and rules. But in practice, it's just like how you approach everyday challenges. Imagine your phone stops working. What do? First, you check if it's charged. If that's not it, you restart it. If that doesn't work, you look deeper, maybe it's a software issue. That's problem solving. The models you see in professional settings are just formalized versions of the same natural thought process you already use. Now, when it comes to making these ideas stick, practice and reflection are your best friends. Try applying one method today, no matter how small, then pause to reflect. Did it help? What worked? What didn't? This reflection loop is what transforms knowledge into wisdom. Something I really want you to take away is that learning is personal. You don't have to do it the exact same way someone else does. Maybe you prefer visuals, or stories, or hands-on practice. That's okay, lean into your style. What matters is consistency, not uniformity. So, to recap, focus on steady progress, ask better questions, simplify advanced ideas into everyday actions, and practice reflection. If you carry just these principles with you, you'll be able to grow faster than you think. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought: mastery is less about knowing everything and more about staying curious. The moment you stop being afraid to ask why or how is the moment you open yourself up to continuous growth. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I truly hope this video gave you both clarity and confidence. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Clark Academy 101, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. And if you found one insight that really stood out to you, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what clicked for you the most. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you're capable of more than you think. I'll see you in the next video.